Welcome to Nursing Online Education. In this video, we are going to see the tips for the HAAD exam. Before entering into the testing room, you have to follow some initial steps. When you arrive at the test center, you will be given a candidate rule, which contain all the terms and conditions to be followed by the candidate. It is your responsibility to read and understand the terms and conditions of sitting a health authority of Abu Dhabi examination. After check-in, the test center administrator will provide you with a locker and key. You will keep all your personal belongings into the locker, as you are not supposed to carry anything into the testing room. You may not bring any personal belongings into the testing room. This includes, but is not limited to, mobile telephones, Bluetooth headphones, PDA handbags, books, paper drinks, any of food items, medicines, pen, pencil, markers, etc. In short, you are not supposed to bring any personal belongings into the testing room. When you arrive at the test center, there are some initial steps you will need to complete before sitting down for the exam. First of all, you need to check in at the reception desk in the test center, where you should present your 2 forms of valid original identification. The test center staff will verify your appointment time, your identity, and they will take a photo of you and collect your signature on the electronic signature pad. After the initial check, you are instructed to wait in the reception area, or you will be escorted to the testing room. In the test room, you are assigned a testing station with a computer, mouse and keyboard. You have to follow the instruction given by the invigilator. Invigilator will log you into testing station. You are not supposed to carry any materials like calculator, pen or paper. The exam will have an on-screen standard calculator available for use. A short tutorial on the exam interference will be available on the screen before the exam begins. You can take break during the exam, but the exam will not be stopped during the break. The exam time will continue countdown and cannot be made up. That means you don't get any extra time for break. Once you have completed exam, you will be escorted out of the testing room and taken to the reception desk to be checked out of the test center. A result of your exam will be announced shortly after the exam. The test center administrator will give a printed score report that indicate whether you have passed or failed in the exam. As you are aware, exam result is one of the important components of your HAAD license application process. Only if you pass in the exam, you can go ahead with further processing. After the exam, your exam result will be sent automatically to the Health Authority of Abu Dhabi. Attending the exam with a relaxed mind has a great impact on your performance. If you are anxious, you may not remember whatever you have studied. Don't worry, 80 to 90% of the candidates who take the exam without guidance pass in their first attempt. But make sure that you are prepared well. If you find yourself getting anxious, close your eyes, take 2 deep breaths and try to clear your mind. When you open your eyes, you will feel more relaxed and ready to pass the exam. Practice makes the person perfect. Having a right attitude towards your study is very important. Set goal in your mind and work hard for reaching the goal. Refer as many sources as possible. Learn from as many books as possible. The most important aspect of practice is solving questions. You have to practice as many hard exam questions as possible. Being well prepared boosts your confidence.
Preparation for the exam with full dedication is the essence of your success in the exam. An average student has to spend at least 2 months for his or her preparation. During this time, one should spend at least 15 hours per week for study. Make sure that you have gone through as much information as possible.
Reference the related HAAD scope of practice with respect to your specialty. If you are unsure, check our HAAD requirement page. Below is a generated summary of key parts to know for nurses. If your application does not fulfill all of the required components of HAAD eligibility criteria, you will not be licensed to practice. Review the systems in the human body. Do an overall review of type of diseases that can affect each systems and the impact of these diseases on other systems. Consider the nursing responsibility as it relates to patient care. Review how nursing practice is developed, which include policies, practice and guidelines related to nursing practice. Review how nurses sit in their roles as a member of multidisciplinary healthcare team. Next aspect is infection control. Look at infection control practices in disease prevention.